Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome back to Da Nang. Hey, Marcus, how you doing?
Welcome.
Welcome back. Okay, I don't know why it's not summer yet, but it is cloudy, kind of dark. It's crazy, crazy, stormy ocean. Super wavy. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm gonna take a little stroll. What is going on? Can't believe it. We have to check this out. It's mid-March now. It should be better now, but somehow maybe it's good for the surfers. It's still warm, don't get me wrong, but it's like a kind of, the wind is a little bit cool, I would say. Lots of Instagram pictures going on here. And people are actually out surfing. No, they are not. They are waiting. Huh. I'm gonna take a stroll now. My God. So I just came back from Thailand and Thailand was so hot. It was super hot. A little bit too hot. On the daytime with the sun out, it was very, very hot. And even at night. But yeah. It's kind of nice and refreshing, but if you come here for a beach vacation, this might be very annoying. And yeah, the beach is still very small. The sand parts still not recovered. And with this waves and everything, I don't know if this is gonna be better now. Huh. Even Paradise is kinda empty. But it's always busy, usually. What's going on here? Woo! It's cool! Yeah, I really don't like this. Oh my God. I hope the sound quality is good. But yeah, it's crazy windy now. It feels like a storm is coming up. The weather says it's getting better next week, end of next week. I hope that's true. But right now, this is not what a normal March is like. But also on this walk, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite buffets, actually. And I just had it 3 weeks ago, the first time, and it's phenomenal. It's very nice. It reminds me of the Hai Di Lao brand, but it's also a hot pot. Not a hot pot. It's a hot pot and a grill. And to the hot pot and the grill, you have sushi and lots of other dumplings. Lots of things there. Beautiful. We're gonna walk by there. I'm gonna show you that. It's very nice. Here you can have pizza on the beach. They actually renovated that too. There are a few new places now on the streets. Just in this 1.5 weeks of me being in Thailand, there are new places out. And they're renovated here too. Pretty interesting. The other yellow card, you can get some coconuts here, coffee. And then here, like always, the massage spot. You can get massages on the beach. We're gonna go walk to the left here, and I'm gonna also show you this brand new spot. Marcus had dinner there one time. They had a Korean barbecue, I think. But it's a pretty interesting spot because they have several restaurants under one roof. Definitely have to try it still. I think they opened up 1 month ago. They gave us some vouchers when we walked there from the from the airport to the beach. This is where we went out then. Can you imagine? Airport to the beach. 50. How you doing, man? Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, I'm actually taking a nice little U-turn to the beach, from the beach, all the way here to the left, and then to the Aussie Bistro. Gotta see what my Australian brothers are doing. But yeah, it's not so picturesque at the moment. I'm gonna go over there. They also changed something here. What is that? So they just make sure people don't driving here. It's pretty interesting. Now people can drive over there. Oh, it's green. And even if it's green, always be careful. It's not really like a smart system when I have green light and I still cannot walk. Look at this Porsche, nice. Now it's red, now I can walk, okay. So yeah, look at this. So this here is what Marcus had. And what he said was, if you're 4 people, 3 paying and the 4th is free. And you have, look at this. What's going on here? Le Foie, Coco House. So this is the Korean barbecue. Then they have a seafood hot pot, I guess. Pizza and steak and sushi. So that's pretty interesting. You can have all things together under one roof. Not done by one restaurant, but by several restaurants, 4. So it's like a food court, a bougie food court. I think Marcus liked it. But I want to show you actually the one I went the other day. It's called Luk Tien Mon. I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna show you. It's very nice. At the moment, I just feel like it's the number 1 for me. But it's not cheap. So if you want to have it with seafood, it's 500. And if you don't want to have seafood, it's 379. So, gotta keep that in mind. I'm not sure what kind of promotions they have. Maybe they have some kind of promotions if you are 4 people. But yeah, that's the restaurant here. So they have some kind of promotions, I just don't understand what it is. So this here is with Haisan, means seafood. Only Haisan? Without Haisan, without seafood. This is how it looks. Looks very bushy and very nice. It's such a nice interior, and the buffet is fantastic. They're not open yet, I think. But try it out. Let me know how you like it. I really enjoy it. And for me, I'm not so into seafood anymore. So I would take it $379 if I have the sushi and sashimi with it. Very delicious. Actually, my favorite sushi on a buffet is there. So I really like it. What is going on there? They're working on something in the middle of the street. Oh, I don't know what they're doing. This here is also bread and butter. Nice for some bakeries. They're very nice things there. It's a huge bakery. I think they do everything in-house. The Seawind Hotel, I did a video about that one time. The $7 hotel, but that's probably not the case anymore. But I'm not sure. It doesn't feel like it should be high season right now, but I will actually check out hotel prices soon because I'm gonna do a hotel review soon again. I still have so many hotels to review because you all submitted so many hotels on my main channel. So I still have to do, I think 20 or 30, what I said I will do. So I'm gonna do this. But I will also go to Hoi An soon and make some videos on Hoi An. So don't forget to subscribe. This is Palma. They also have breakfast buffet for 150,000, I believe. 150 or 170, I'm not sure anymore. Lots of people enjoyed the breakfast buffet because you can just show up and have a hotel breakfast there. Let's say if you have Haya Hotel, I don't think they have breakfast, and it's very cheap, Haya Hotel. But I don't know, I only saw a dirty room there once, so I cannot really say if it's good or not. But yeah, I'm on the way to the Aussie Bistro right now. I'm gonna check if there's something new here. Ban Kan Kua. Very nice noodle soup with crab. I like the noodles a lot. They have this real chewy one or the rice noodles. If you like crabs, maybe that's the thing for you. They also have shrimps. Yeah, this is Ban Kan Kua, 79. So here are also so many hotels. Many actually like this one, Grand Ocean Sea View. But there you have to be careful with the rooms. There's one room, the cheapest I think, has no view. But yeah, I don't like that one. But the other one I liked. The ones over here on this side, it was good. And they have a nice pool. And here's Helios Boutique. I think it was also good. But if you want to be in this neighborhood here, which is actually a good neighborhood to be, I like this street here, the Aussie Bistro Street. That's how we call it. It's called Lelo. Okay. Lelo. In the middle of the Lelo Street is the Aussie Bistro. But if you want to be close to this area, I suggest you staying here. Grand Sunrise Boutique. I actually like this one. They have very nice beds, but they don't have balconies though. They have a little outside area here. And some street vendors drive by here. And the school is over here. Could also be sometimes noisy. But when I was in there, it was pretty calm, to be honest. Yeah, I really like this street here. Because it's the least stressful street here. It's nice and calm. And then you have some Aussie blokes over there, which is not calm anymore. Depends on the time of the day. But let's see if there are people out there already. I was now 1.5 weeks out in Pattaya and in Bangkok. Bangkok with the missus and Pattaya with Marcus. We did some German videos there. It was pretty good, but lots of work. But yeah, beautiful Aussie Bistro. I'm finally back. Let's see if someone is there. Good day, mate. All right. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you on the next walk.